Click on the link below to get price. The Westcott FJ400 II Touchscreen Strobe 2 Light Backpack Kit with FJ Pro AC/DC is a remarkable lighting solution tailored for photographers who seek versatility and portability without compromising quality. This kit includes two FJ400 II strobes, each featuring a user-friendly touchscreen interface that simplifies adjustments on the go. The intuitive design allows for rapid changes to settings, which is invaluable during fast-paced shoots. One of the standout features of the FJ400 II is its impressive power output. With a maximum of 400 Ws, these strobes are capable of delivering ample light for various scenarios, from portrait shoots in well-lit environments to dramatic lighting in dimmer settings. The built-in battery offers excellent performance, allowing for approximately 400 full-power flashes per charge. This is a significant advantage for outdoor photography or location shoots where power sources may be limited. The kit comes with a durable backpack, making transportation a breeze. The bag is thoughtfully designed to hold not only the strobes but also accessories and light modifiers, keeping everything organized and accessible. This is particularly useful for photographers who travel frequently or need to set up quickly on location. In terms of build quality, the FJ400 II strobes feel robust and dependable, withstanding the rigors of frequent use. The light modifiers available for this system are diverse, enabling users to experiment with various effects and styles, enhancing the creative possibilities. Additionally, the strobe's compatibility with the FJ-X2M wireless transmitter allows for seamless integration with various camera brands, ensuring that photographers can work with their preferred gear without hassle. The overall value of this kit is exceptional, combining high-quality performance, portability, and user-friendly features. In conclusion, the Westcott FJ400 II Touchscreen Strobe 2 Light Backpack Kit is an excellent investment for both amateur and professional photographers. Its powerful output, ease of use, and portability make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their lighting game while maintaining mobility.